Welcome to Foodwise. So in today's video, we'll be making Ewedu soup. Welcome back once again. Don't forget to subscribe. So we have our Ewedu leaf. We have our baking soda, seasoning cube, some salt, and locust beans. So my pot is on fire already, so I put in some water in my pot and allow it to get hot a bit. Then I add my baking soda to the water. So I allow my water get hot a bit before I add my Ewedu leaves. Remember we added baking soda at first. The baking soda is to make the leaf soft and slimy. This is how it looks after it has cooked for like 5 minutes. So the Ewedu has cooked for like 10 minutes, so I'm going to add a bit of water because I feel the consistency is a bit thick. After cooking for like 12 to 15 minutes, it has softened to the way I want it, so I'm going to add my seasoning, my locust beans, and my salt. So I let it steam together for a while before I pass it into the blender and try to blend. So it's either you use a broom called Jute to mash your Ewedu or you use your blender. But when you are using your blender, you have to use your pulse button. Don't use the blend button. Use your pulse button. Then I'm going to use the pulse button for like 5 times. 5 times is okay for me to get the consistency I want. But if you want your Ewedu smoother, you can use the pause button more than 5 times. So now I'm getting the consistency I want. I've gotten it, then I'll pass it back into my pot and allow it to steam a bit. After it steam a bit, our Ewedu is ready to be served. You can serve Ewedu with amala, eba, semovita, and any swallow of your choice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.